Want to keep your little one safer at home and on the go? These genius safety gadgets are designed to prevent accidents, add peace of mind, and protect your child when it matters most. From smart monitors to everyday lifesavers, these are must-haves for every parent. All product links are in the description below. When every second counts, this emergency suction device helps you act fast. With a single button trigger, it quickly releases airway blockages and supports safe self-rescue. It delivers consistent suction power, around 33 kilopascals, for reliable, instant relief. Soft, well-fitted masks minimize pressure on the face and neck, keeping rescue safe and gentle. With 3 mask sizes included, it's ready to protect nearly anyone in a choking emergency. Who says workouts need to be tough on your body? This compact underdesk elliptical lets you move your legs while sitting, making exercise feel effortless. You can pedal forward or backward and choose between manual speeds or automatic programs depending on your mood. It's whisper quiet, so you won't disturb anyone around you. With a remote control and display to track your progress, staying active has never been this easy. Putting on socks doesn't have to be a daily challenge. This sock aid lets you slip them on without bending, twisting, or asking for help. Just slide the sock over the contoured shell, drop it to the floor, and pull the foam handles. Your foot glides right in. The non-slip grip keeps everything in place so it's smooth and hassle-free. Lightweight and easy to use, it brings back independence in seconds. Ever wonder what's really hiding in your mattress? This compact gadget zaps dust mites and allergens using UV light, high-frequency vibrations, and powerful suction. One button starts the deep clean, while it gently shakes out the unwanted guests. It's USB-C rechargeable, so you can take it from the bed to the couch to hotel pillows without hassle. Multiple cleaning modes let you treat every fabric just the way it needs. This handheld veggie slicer may be compact, but it's a total multitasking beast. Chop, blend, mince, and even shape your food with ease, whether you're prepping garlic, onions, chilies, or meat. Just charge it via USB, tap the button, and you're off. It's small enough to take on trips or keep tucked away, but powerful enough to handle everyday meals without the bulk of a big processor. Climbing stairs can be a real challenge for seniors, but this Stair Assist cane is designed to make it easier and safer. With its built-in half-step platform, it gives extra stability when moving up or down steps, thresholds, or even getting in and out of a car. The adjustable height ensures a comfortable fit, while the sturdy build and anti-slip design add confidence with every step. A thoughtful tool for everyday mobility. Putting on shoes doesn't have to mean bending and struggling. This extra-long shoehorn helps you slide into sneakers, boots, or dress shoes while standing tall. The large, easy-grip handle makes it comfortable to use, and the smooth edges protect your shoes and socks. It even doubles as a sock remover, saving you from awkward twists. Durable yet lightweight, it folds in half for easy travel or storage. A chair that helps you stand up with ease? That's exactly what this powerlift recliner is made for. With the push of a button, it gently tilts forward so you can get up without straining your back or knees. You also get massage and heat functions built right in, perfect for melting away tension. Cup holders, side pockets, and USB ports keep your essentials close. Comfort, convenience, and relaxation, all in one seat. Checking a fever shouldn't be a hassle. This digital forehead thermometer gives you an accurate reading in just 1 second without ever touching the skin. A bright LED screen makes results easy to read, even in the dark. Color-coded alerts and gentle beeps tell you instantly if the temperature is normal or high. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for babies, kids, and adults, at home or on the go. Pet hair on the couch, carpet, or your clothes? Not anymore. This reusable roller sweeps up fur with just a few quick passes, no sticky sheets or refills needed. The built-in chamber traps everything inside, and with one click, you just empty it out. It works on furniture, bedding, and even your car seats. Simple, effective, and a total game changer for anyone with furry friends. Getting in and out of a car doesn't have to feel like a struggle. This clever support handle gives you a sturdy grip every time you open the door. The soft, cushioned grip feels comfortable in your hand, making it easy to steady yourself without strain. It even doubles as an emergency tool with a seatbelt cutter and window breaker built right in. Compact enough to tuck in your glove box, it's always ready when you need it. Bath time doesn't have to be stressful or risky. This transfer bench makes moving in and out of the tub simple and secure. Just sit, slide, and you're safely in place without straining yourself or a caregiver. The sturdy frame, non-slip feet, and safety belt give you steady support every step of the way. With adjustable height and easy tool-free setup, it's a smart solution for safer, more comfortable showers. Reading in bed just got a whole lot easier. This bendable neck light wraps around comfortably, giving you hands-free lighting exactly where you need it. Choose from 3 colors and 6 brightness levels, so your eyes stay relaxed, not strained. It lasts up to 80 hours on a single charge, so you can read for days without plugging in. Best part? The focused beam lights your page without bothering anyone next to you. Here's a kitchen sink upgrade you didn't know you needed. This 3-in-1 stainless steel drain strainer acts as a plug, filter, and stopper all in one. Just press to trap water or drain it while catching food scraps before they clog your pipes. Its anti-clogging basket keeps things clean without the mess, and it fits most standard sinks, no tools needed. Super easy to clean, and it actually works. A sore knee or stiff shoulder can ruin your day. This heated massager wraps around your joints and delivers soothing warmth paired with gentle vibrations. You can strap it to your knees, elbows, or even shoulders for targeted relief. It's cordless and rechargeable, so you can move freely while it works its magic. With adjustable heat and massage modes, you control exactly how much comfort you need. Getting up from the floor on your own can feel impossible, but not with this electric chairlift. It gently raises you to a standing position, giving independence back without straining caregivers. Safety is built in with a non-slip base, strong motor, and an emergency stop button for peace of mind. You can stop at any height to transition safely to a chair, sofa, or bed. Simple, supportive, and confidence boosting. Tired of shoes piling up by the door? This 9-tier foldable shoe rack isn't just about space, it's about smart, stylish organization. With clear magnetic doors for easy access and dust protection, you can spot your favorite pair instantly. It holds up to 36 pairs, even tall boots, and folds open in minutes without tools. Perfect for entryways, living rooms, or cloakrooms, and it actually looks good. Your hands deserve a break too. This cordless hand massager gently squeezes and kneads your palms, fingers, and wrists, melting away stiffness and tension. Adds soothing heat, and it's perfect for easing sore joints or warming cold hands. With adjustable modes and intensities, you control how light or deep the relief feels. Compact and rechargeable, it's easy to use at home, at work, or even on the go. No more bending, stretching, or straining. This extra long grabber tool lets you pick up items from the floor, high shelves, or even behind furniture with ease. The claw has a strong grip and a magnetic tip that grabs small metal objects like coins or batteries. It's lightweight, foldable, and easy to carry around. Perfect for seniors, or really anyone who wants an extra helping hand around the house. Want a workout that actually feels fun? This wall-mounted music boxing machine turns your punches into a rhythm game. Sync it with your favorite playlist via Bluetooth, then follow the glowing lights to stay on beat while improving your reflexes. With 9-speed settings and built-in strike tracking, it's great for workouts, stress relief, or just showing off. Long day on your feet? Slide into this 2-in-1 massager and feel the difference. It wraps your feet, ankles, and calves in soothing heat, rolling shiatsu notes, and air compression that melts away tension. Flip it closed, and it doubles as a heated ottoman for lounging or working in comfort. Adjustable angles and washable liners make it easy to use and share. It's like having a personal spa tucked under your desk. No more rummaging through bags of rice or mismatched containers. This rotating grain dispenser is your new kitchen MVP. With 6 separate compartments and one-touch dispensing, it keeps everything from grains to pet food sealed, sorted, and easy to access. Just turn, press, and pour. The airtight design keeps everything fresh, and the sleek space-saving shape fits perfectly on any countertop or pantry shelf. Measuring just got a high-tech upgrade. This digital tape doesn't just pull out and retract, it saves up to 500 measurements on its built-in display, so you never lose track. A green laser guide helps you line up perfectly straight marks every time. You can even share measurements over Bluetooth straight to your phone or team. Tough, accurate, and built for the job site, it's the future of measuring in your hand. Sometimes you just need the right support to truly relax. This wedge pillow set adjusts into different positions to help you sit up, recline, or elevate your legs comfortably. It's great for easing back pain, acid reflux, or even just propping yourself up with a book. The memory foam molds to your body while staying firm enough to support you. With washable covers and a foldable design, it's easy to keep clean and store away. Climbing stairs doesn't have to feel impossible. This powered stair chair makes moving up and down straight staircases safe and manageable. With simple button controls, it moves slowly and steadily, giving peace of mind to both users and caregivers. The sturdy frame supports heavy weight while padded seating keeps things comfortable. Best of all, it folds compactly for easy storage or transport when not in use. If ironing feels like a chore, this folding steam press machine will change the game. Just lift the top to set it up, use the LED display to adjust your temperature and timer, and let it do the heavy lifting. Once your settings are locked in, close the front panel and watch it deliver crisp, pressed clothes in seconds. No back and forth ironing strokes needed. Folds up neatly when you're done. Imagine a walker that does more than just support you, it powers you forward. This 4-in-1 rollator and wheelchair combo adapts to your pace, giving an assist when you need it and resistance when you're training. Safety features like auto brakes and steering assist keep every ride steady, even on slopes. You can push, ride, or control it with a joystick for extra convenience. Lightweight, foldable, and powerful, it's freedom on wheels. Tired of crumbs, dust, and pet hair taking over your car or workspace? This compact cordless vacuum packs serious power in a lightweight design, giving you deep cleaning without the hassle. It doubles as a blower and inflator, making it more than just a vacuum. With multiple attachments, a smart digital display, and easy one-button dust disposal, it's the kind of tool that makes quick cleanups actually enjoyable. Ever get tired of fishing pickles or olives out of the jar with your fingers? This clever little condiment fork keeps things neat and easy. It attaches right to the jar, so the fork is always clean, handy, and ready to use. Great for snacks, charcuterie boards, or even camping. It saves you from the mess while keeping everything more hygienic. Simple, smart, and surprisingly useful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.